Hi, welcome to Telos. In this video you will learn how to earn passive income by staking your Telos coins to Rex. We'll show you 3 ways to get it done. Now let's dive in. Telos is a native token of the Telos blockchain. You can stake your Telos tokens and earn interest automatically compounded every 30 minutes. The rewards come from a community reserve and are distributed to those who stake their Telos to Rex. And Rex is an abbreviation for resource exchange. The process to stake Telos to Rex is simple. You'll need to have some Telos on the Telos blockchain to start, which requires you to have a Telos account. If you don't have a Telos account, I suggest you watch our video on how to create one first. There are multiple interfaces to stake your Telos, but the primary method is to use the Telos web wallet. As an alternative method, you may use Staker or the block explorer EOS Authority. Now that you know the basics, let's start off with the preferred method, which is staking your Telos to Rex using the Telos web wallet. Open your browser and navigate to the link on screen. Click Connect Wallet using Anchor and sign the login. If you haven't used your Telos account before, this window is going to pop up, asking if you want to buy resources for 1 Telos. Click Approve and sign the transaction. Don't worry, you only have to do this once. Here we are in the interface. Now select Earn from the main menu, enter the amount or select the percentage of tokens you would like to stake to Rex. Click Start Earning. Approve the transaction. Your Telos is now staked in Rex. Maybe you want to do things differently. So now let's move on to the first alternative method, which is using Staker.1. Open your browser and navigate to Staker.1. Now log in with your Telos account by clicking Connect Wallet and sign the login. On this page you can see 2 options, Manage RAM and Start Earning. Please take notice, what you're about to do now is called staking for resources, not for rewards. This will enable you to perform most of the actions on Telos with your account. You may have done this part already, for example by following the suggestion in the Telos web wallet interface during the account setup. In that case you can proceed to start earning. You should only stake the recommended small amount. You do not have to do this again when you want to stake to Rex in the future. Scroll down and click Manage RAM under Resources. Now enter a small amount of Telos, 0.5 to 1 Telos recommended. Click Buy RAM and approve the transaction. Scroll down to the Stake Telos window. Enter the amount of Telos under CPU stake amount and net stake amount. 0.1 to 0.5 Telos is recommended. Click Stake and approve the transaction. Now you have enough resources to perform transactions. Scroll back to the top of the screen and click Start Earning. Enter the amount of Telos you wish to stake. Click Start Earning and approve the transaction. Your Telos is now staked to Rex and you'll be earning passive income. Now to close off, let's look at the second alternative method, which is using the block explorer EOS Authority. Browse the EOS Authority using the link on screen. Here we are on the main page. Click Menu and select Rex. Click on Plus Add Account. Log in with your Telos account using Anchor. Now enter the amount of Telos you wish to lend to Rex. Click Lend to Rex and sign the transaction. Your Telos is now staked in Rex. Keep in mind that you can unstake your Telos in Rex after 4 to 5 days and you are guaranteed 100% of your initial staking amount. If you have questions, check out the support center. The link is displayed on screen. We'd love to see you join our community. You should follow @HelloTelos on Twitter to stay up to date with the latest news. Come check out the Discord server or the Telos subreddit to get advice from Telos insiders or just to hang out. This Telos Foundation video is produced by the people of DutchTelos, a Telos validator since 2018. If you found this content helpful and you want to support our work, please consider voting for DutchTelos. Thanks for watching.